this video, I'm going to teach you how to record Minecraft tutorial videos. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to go over the process of setting up recording software and actually recording a video while you are inside of Minecraft. So, the software that I recommend for you to record videos with is going to be OBS Studio. It's the one that I'm using right now to record this video, and in my opinion, it is by far the easiest to pick up and use. It is lightweight, runs in the background, and it is overall an excellent choice for recording and streaming. So go to obsproject.com and download it for either Windows, macOS, or Linux. The process of using it is very similar. So once you have it downloaded and you open OBS for the first time, there is going to be a setup wizard that appears. Sadly, I have already done it, so I'm not going to be able to show you the process on screen, but it is going to guide you through the process of using and setting up OBS. I highly recommend doing all in there because it is going to make the process of using OBS much simpler. On tools, you can also find it here, but sadly, I cannot use it because I'm currently recording this video, so it doesn't allow me to. So the very first thing that you should do here is go over to the settings, go over to output, recording, and then set up the folder where your recorded videos are going to go to. Your output mode might be set to basic. I recommend switching from basic to advanced, but it doesn't really matter. Choose the one that's better for you, but I'm going to be showcasing this with advanced. Once you have the recording path set up, the recording format is going to be the video files that are created. So I choose MP4 because I prefer this for editing in Premiere and then posting on YouTube, but again, it's up to you. I recommend either MKV or MP4. Choose the video encoder. X264 should be fine. If you don't particularly care about super high quality video or you aren't sure of which hardware you have, I'm not going to go over all details about every single video encoder. Audio encoder you can leave on default, and then the rest you don't really have to change. Now on encoder settings, this is going to refer to the quality of the video that is being recorded. The higher quality, the bigger the size, and the more stress on your hardware. So if you don't have particularly good hardware, lower the bitrate and set the CPU usage to slow or somewhere along these lines. And you can set keyframe interval to 0, profile to none, tune to none, and then this should be good. Again, I'm not going to go super in depth about every single option and what you have to do. If you are curious in getting the highest quality video possible, lowering the video size and all that, I recommend looking into alternative tutorials because those can take a while. With all of this said, you can just copy these settings. Under video, the last thing to check is the resolution. If you have a 1080p monitor, just set the base and output to 1920 by 1080, but if you want to downscale like me, just copy it like this so you have your main resolution and you lower it to 1080p. FPS value should be set to 60. Click OK, apply these changes, and you are good to go. Now add the sources. The very first one should be an audio input because you will be recording your voice for the tutorial, but if you don't care about using a mic and you just want to add a text later, that's fine as well. If you want to create a microphone, just click Create New, OK, and then choose your microphone here. Now, once you have the microphone set up, which I already do here, next you have to capture your screen. You can either choose the option to capture your full display, which will record everything that happens on your monitor, or choose game capture, which is what I recommend. This will capture a specific window, so you can choose game capture, create new, capture a specific window, and then in here you select the Minecraft.exe window. This way only the Minecraft gameplay will be recorded and anything that you do on the background will not appear. Now once you are inside of the game, just record your tutorial. Now this is going to be a little bit confusing because I am already recording a video, but let's say for example I was recording a tutorial on how to craft an anvil. I would do my introduction, say hello, and then I would go something along the lines of, so in order to craft an anvil, you open a crafting table and you put the iron blocks and iron bars in this formation, which gives you the anvil. You can place it down and now you are able to repair and rename items. So I hope I will help you. Now once you are satisfied with the recording, you can open up OBS and you will see the option to stop the recording. This will save the recording and you will find it on the folder that you set up as the output. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you record tutorials inside of Minecraft, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us on the channel make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next one.